Class 8th rational number chapter. Topic is finding rational number between two rational number. So here two method is given to you. First method is add the two given rational number and divide the sum by 2. The result is a rational number between two given rational number. Like find a rational number between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. Here we use the method first. So the sum of 1 by 4 and 2 by 4 is 3 by 4 and divide the sum by 2. So answer is 3 by 8. So in between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4 rational number is 3 by 8. Second method, to insert n rational number between two rational number follows the given steps. Here case first, when given rational number have the same denominator, multiply the numerator and denominator of each rational number by n plus 1. Here case 1 by 4 and 2 by 4 have the same denominator. To insert one rational number, multiply both the numerator and denominator of each rational number by, because we are finding one rational number, so n plus 1. N means find out the how many numbers of rational number. So n is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have to multiply by 2 by 2. So 1 by 4 multiply by 2 by 2. So answer is 2 by 8. And again 2 by 4 multiply by 2 by 2 because we want denominator 8. So here we will see 4 is greater than 3 and 3 is greater than 2. So we can write the rational number 2 by 8, 3 by 8 and 4 by 8. So in between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4 is 3 by 8. Next is case 2, when given rational number have this different denominator. In the first example we will do for the same denominator, but in the next we will do different denominator. So here in the case 1, when given rational number have the different denominator, find the LCM of the denominator and change the given rational number to the equivalent rational number. And step 2, multiply the numerator and denominator of each rational number by n plus 1 if necessary. So here different denominator, so minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, here we insert 3 rational number. So the sum of minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 different denominator. First we convert rational number to same denominator. So here minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, here LCM is 6. So minus 1 by 2 multiply by 3 by 3. So we will make the denominator 6 here. Minus 3 upon 6. Again 2 by 3 we have to multiply by 2 by 2. So here 4 by 6. So note here in the 4 by 6 it is positive number and minus 3 by 6 we will get different rational numbers in between them. Like in between 4 by 6, 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6, then 0 and again minus 1 by 6 and minus 2 by 6. And we can choose any 3 whatever we want here. One more example for if we want more rational number, like find 10 rational number between minus 5 by 7 and minus 2 by 3. Here also denominator same. So first we will take LCM to make the denominator same. First here LCM is 7 or 3 is 21. To make denominator same, minus 5 upon 7 7 is multiplied by 3 by 3. So denominator is 21. So minus 5 and 3 multiply minus 15 upon 21. Next minus 2 by 3 multiply by 7 by 7, because denominator we want here 21, minus 14 upon 21. But in this case we will find minus 15 upon 21 and minus 14 upon 21. Here rational number we can't find out, 10 rational number we can't find out. So for finding 10 rational number we will do here next step n plus 1, means we want 10 rational number. So number n is 10 and plus 1 is 11. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 11. So minus 15 upon 21 multiply by 11 upon 11 and minus 14 upon 21 multiply by 11 upon 11. Whenever we multiply minus 15 upon 21 by 11 upon 11, then answer will be minus 165 upon 231. And when we multiply minus 14 upon 21 by 11 upon 11, then answer will be minus 154 upon 231. Here students, you will see we can find out the more denominator here, and in 154 minus 154 and in minus 165 we can find out 10 rational number easily. Here I will give you worksheet also. You will do all the question. Question number 2 I already solved in my example, and I will give you word problem also, so you can find out the answer. If you feel any problem, then you can ask me by messages. And summary of the chapter is also given to you, so you can read. And now your rational number chapter will be completed. Thank you.